How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so if you are on this page, that means you're looking for a BMW 3 Series service manual, and this service manual is mainly for M3 Series, 323i, 325i, 325xi, 328i, 330i, 330xi. It's for sedan, coupe, convertible, sports wagon, anywhere from 1999 all the way till 2005. And these are published by Bentley. So if you're looking for this manual, please join my membership. I'll leave a link in the description below. All my members will have access to the service manual link. So as soon as you join the membership, you will see another video where the link in this description will work for you, and you will be able to see the manual, where to get the manual from. So please contact me, join my membership, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.